In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw your Google AdSense money. Whether you're new to website monetization or just need a refresh on the process, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can access your earnings smoothly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Google AdSense homepage to start the withdrawal process. Google AdSense plays a critical role for bloggers, website owners, and YouTube creators in earning money from their online content. To get there, simply type Google AdSense, earn website monetization into your search bar, or bookmark the link for easy access in the future. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will lead you to the login page where you're prompted to enter your details. Here's where you'll need to input your email associated with your Google AdSense account. Ensure you enter the correct email address to avoid any login issues. After inputting your email, you'll be directed to the next screen to enter your password. Remember, keeping a strong, unique password for your financial accounts like Adsense is crucial for your security. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken to your Google AdSense dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, tracking your earnings, viewing performance reports, and of course, withdrawing your money. To proceed to the withdrawal section, you'll need to locate and click on the Home button. The interface is user-friendly, but if you ever get lost, remember that the Home button usually takes you back to where you need to make a selection. Now that you're on the Home dashboard, your next action is to navigate to the Payments section. This is where Google consolidates all the necessary details regarding your earnings, payment schedules, and withdrawal options. Clicking on Payments will bring you closer to accessing your hard-earned money. In the Payments area, look for and select the Payment Info tab. This section is particularly important because it provides detailed information about your payment methods, current balance, and any actions you might need to take to receive your payments. For those curious or in need of checking their payment history or verifying the status of a recent payment, you can easily do so. Under the Payment History segment, Google AdSense displays a list of all your transactions, including the statuses of your payments. This feature is pretty handy if you're tracking when your next payment is due, or if you've just made changes to your payment settings and want to ensure everything's in order. It's essential to regularly check the status of your payments and keep an eye on your email. Google AdSense will often send notifications regarding payment issues, policy updates, or even tips on maximizing your earning potential. Stay informed and proactive in managing your account to make the most out of your Google AdSense experience. To wrap up, withdrawing your Google AdSense money is a straightforward process once you know where to go and what to look for. From signing into your account, navigating through the dashboard, to checking your payment info and history, each step is designed to ensure you have complete control over your earnings. And remember, the key to a hassle-free withdrawal process is regularly updating your payment settings and keeping your account information secure. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Managing your Google AdSense account doesn't have to be complicated, and we're here to make sure of that. Happy earning!